Hello everyone, it is Terminology Tuesday again. Thank you for tuning in. Today I want to go over some more details about credit and how important credit is to you as far as getting a mortgage. A few weeks ago, Jessica did an in-depth talk with you on the differences of credit that you pull and the differences in the credit bureaus that the lender requires and how those sometimes don't match up. Today I want to talk about how important is it to have a credit bureau rating to actually get a mortgage. And I'm going to tell you, it's hugely important. Every lender requires that you have a credit rating, and the way to get the credit rating is through credit cards, lines of credit, loans, that sort of thing. Different lenders have different qualifications or different requirements that they look at, or their policies. Some are easier to follow and some not so much. General rule of thumb is they want to see that you've had credit with two creditors for a minimum of 2 years. And that depends on how much down payment you have, but insured mortgages, that's the general rule of thumb. Creditors being credit cards, lines of credit. Mortgages can show on there as well. Phone bills will show, but not so much rated, and also loans. 2 for 2 years. That's the general rule of thumb. There's some variations to it. Some lenders are a little bit more flexible with that, some aren't. And the reason that is because they need to see how you're paying your debt, and do you pay it. You could say, well, I pay my rent, or I pay my utilities, or my insurances, but they can't see that on a bureau. On a bureau, they can see it. And if you're paying consistently, haven't got any lates on it, you've got a couple on there, one being maybe a credit card, the other being a loan, they can see the differences between the two. And again, those are general rule of thumb. What I want to add to this today is a personal file that we have worked on, and we being Kelly Jones at Coldwell Banker Real Estate is an excellent realtor. And him and I just recently worked on a deal for this great young man who was looking to buy his first home. Wasn't looking for the sun, the moon, and the stars, wanted his first home, saved his own down payment, had a job, but what he didn't have was credit. So this was about 1.5 years ago, started him off with some credit advice, advising him, go get a credit card, get a loan if you can, but giving him some general rules for that within reason. Don't go after that $15,000 credit card. Let's do it within reason, but pay it and use it. Don't just get the credit card and don't pay it, use it. And that's what he did. He listened so well, and guess what? He's now moving into his first home. Kelly Jones at Coldwell Banker Real Estate worked with him diligently and showed him homes that he was looking in the right price range for, and helped him along immensely. If it wasn't for Kelly on the real estate side doing and helping him get that property, and on the financial side, my helping him, giving him the credit advice, but mostly important, he listened, he did it, and this young man now has his first home. We're very happy for him and excited for him, and he's venturing in a new area of his life. So again, kudos to Kelly Jones at Coldwell Banker. Give him a call at 403-343-3344. And for myself, give me a call at 403-347-0774 at Advanced Mortgage, and Jessica or I would be more than happy to help you. More success stories like this we could pass on to you, and it would take many hours. But thank you so much for listening, and have a great day.